Okay, so you've hit the Amazon Prime button again.
Yes.
This is how you cancel it. Okay, right. See if I can do this. Fingers crossed. So what you want to do first is go to your account.
My account, yeah.
In here. And then down to your Prime membership.
Yeah.
Put your password in and sign in. No, I don't want to add mobile number. Just want to stop Prime. Right, and then how do you cancel?
How does one cancel? Again.
Right, now way down the list in your Prime, down here is to cancel your Prime membership, click here.
Right.
Or follow the easy steps below. Go to manage your Prime membership, click manage membership, then end membership and benefits. So which one should we do? Should we do that one? Or click on the click here. We'd hate for you to miss out on your unlimited one-day delivery. One item tied to your Prime membership will be affected if you cancel your membership. That's right, isn't it?
Yes.
I'll just go, I do not want my benefits. And switch to annual payments. No, I really want to cancel. So we'll go to remind me later, continue to cancel or keep my membership. We will continue to cancel. Thank you, Amazon Prime. Confirm membership cancellation. Yeah, end Prime benefits. Remind me later or keep my membership. No, I just want to end. I want to end it today, but it's now putting it to 7 days from now. Click on that. Your membership will end on 21st of November. That's good. That's it, I think. I hope that's it. I think that's it. Hope this helps. If you've got any tips or links, leave them in the comments below. And if this video has helped, give us a thumbs up or hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?